Good day sa lahat. So, nandito na naman po ako sa aking bonsai garden at mag-share naman po ako sa aking bonsai kung anong ginagawa ko araw-araw dito sa aking maliit na bonsai garden. So, before going to work on my bonsai, I would like to share to you, you see, there's a malongay tree at my back. Then, I just let some of our neighbors to clean up area. Then I told them that to cut that malunggay. Then they get afraid of cutting it because of there's a buntod. Ang tawag yun sa English, it is a buntod. So I will share out to you. I'll get the camera and put in my video, but I will not go near on that area because pati yung kapitbahay namin, yung pinalinis namin dito is natatakot. So how much more to me. Then it's happened also that during the night time, especially 10 o'clock in the evening, the dog barking on that area with unusual bark, like oh, like that. So I get the camera and focus on it. So that is, I try to zoom. So before, wala pa yan, not there. But it thinks 2 months lang, ganyan nakalaki. Then we decline the area. They see that buntod over there. And if you notice, the malunggay up is very tall, already around 20 feet. So nobody dare to cut that malunggay because all the people in here get afraid because of that buntod. And especially that every 10 p.m. in the evening, the dog standing in this area around 3 meters away, then pissing on that malunggay tree, then like unusual sound with "awoo" like that every 10 o'clock. So we didn't get out of the house. We just listen after that. So this is only, it is like look like believe it or not, but it's better to believe na lang kasi it might be happen niya baka ano tayo diyan, madali tayo diyan. So I proceed now to my bonsai materials, which is the bugtae. Then I'm going to change to a new pot so that it will look nice. So proceed na tayo. So this is my bugtae bonsai materials. So the pot of that one is cement. Then I will transfer that to plastic pot so that it's not so heavy to carry and transfer to another place. So let's start what they call change a new pot. So this is now my bugtae bonsai materials. If you can see, it's already look wild, plenty of weeds under. Then have you noticed this big trunk? I will not cut that one because this is my primary trunk. The previous trunk is damaged or dried or cut. That's why I got produced with a new trunk. Then this time I'm going to use this one. Plastic pot is very light, not heavy compared to the cement pot. So time to repot this one. So I just make some of my video. If necessary, I will cut because to make my video short. Gahi man. It's already penetrating the ground. Okay. Come. Right. Okay. Even though the soil along is so heavy, so just sharing at what I'm doing to my materials. I will get the net. This net can use to the other pot. Then this is the pot that I'm going to use it. Then a little framing for the while. So it seems that it's not level. Look at that. It's higher. So we need to cut on the lower side so that it will be level. And I think it is more proportion, this pot that I'm using now. I just cut it here, then plenty of root. Before I use in the lower side a, what we call a sand, not still not a pure garden soil. I use a reverse sand. So this is the life of being a bonsai enthusiast. So I'm done repotting of my bugtae bonsai materials. If you notice, this is very big leaves. This is a very young trunk that is coming out. This is my primary to cover this area, the vacant area here. That's why I let one trunk going that area of that area. How to say that in English? So I I did not cut yet because it's too small. It need to go follow this trunk. It's bigger, so it should be more bigger than this one. So I just let them wild. So this is my third trimming of my bugtae bonsai materials here. So just sharing what I'm doing to my bonsai materials here in my small bonsai garden now and then. So making a bugtae bonsai is very, what we call, very hard because the direction of their trunk strike anywhere. That way you can see how it look. It's not, for me, it's not yet presentable to doing some, what it's called, a show because the trunk strike anywhere. Although it look nice because it's so pandak, but ito lang ang makaya ko sa forma niya. So just hope na magustuhan ninyo yung ginagawa ko dito. Pero it is only a hobby, so I enjoy on making on it. So for this morning, yes, I say thank you very much for watching. Just sharing my bonsai and my bonsai garden, my little bonsai garden. So again, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice morning ahead of you. Bye-bye.